promised, this is the hair tutorial of me doing my girl's hair. So let's get to it. This is the Blue Magic Originals grease. I use this on all my kids' hair. It does their scalp well, feeds their scalp well. It stays moisturized. All I need right now is these 2 scrunchies because I'm only giving her 2 ponytails. She ain't beat, I ain't beat. That's it. 2 combs, my old faithfuls. They are faithful to me, faithful to it. Use them faithfully. And of course the brush. Gotta slick the hair real good. Her hair is very soft. Like most parents, to distract your kids, you must put on cartoons. Coco Melon it is. Alright, so now I'm just parting the section that I'm about to braid first. Parting it straight back and then down toward the ear. Basically, I'm just going to braid it back and I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Hey y'all, while y'all at it, do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll get every post that I post on the spot. Thanks. Alright, now let's get back to this work. Alright, so now I'm about to part it, going straight across, basically like a half and half. And I'm going to grease the back and then I'm going to brush it up into a ponytail. Also, let me mention, I also have a son with a full head of hair. He has the most hair out of all my kids. But I don't get to record him because that boy go crazy. He will fight you to do his hair. He doesn't like getting his hair done. But all I do, same method, wash and grease it, and then I box braid it and leave him alone. Alright, at this point, I'm doing my little Shirley Temple method where I twirl the hair around my fingers. I take little pieces of her ponytail and I just twirl it over and over and over until it's curly like I want it. Same thing to the front, ponytail, twirl it around my finger, Shirley Temple curls. All right now, Nyla. She frustrated, but she happy. But yeah, so we done. Now, on to the next head. Let's get to it. So yeah, this is my oldest, my 6-year-old. Hey, Lily. So yeah, we about to get to her pipe out real quick. All right. So basically, all I'm about to do right now is comb her hair out. I washed her hair maybe a week ago. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I be so busy with these kids and I'm tired. But anyway, I'm about to comb these naps, get it together, and then we'll start from there. All right, now I'm just going to part her hair into the sections I need it parted in, and then I'm going to just start braiding it. So, like I always say, let's get to it. So now I'm just getting that good old jamalama together, that jam, and I'm about to separate the pieces to put in her hair. I'm doing the feed-in method, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna braid her hair first until I'm almost at the end, and then I'm gonna start adding the pieces in. And we're gonna just go from there. Right now, I'm doing these knotless braids first. I put knotless braids in the middle because I want it to look more full. So yeah, just stay tuned, guys. Yo, I just noticed I'm pushing her head down mad hard. I know her neck hurt. Yo, I used to hate that when my mama did my hair or when I go to the hair salon. Dang, my bad, baby. Alright, so I'm done the knotless braids. And I started one braid so you guys can get the idea of how I'm going to start braiding her hair. So the method I'm doing is straight from right to left. And I'm going to keep doing these braids until I get all the way around. It's just going to keep going and going and going. Y'all get the picture. Okay, so same method on this side, straight back. As soon as I get almost to the end, I'm gonna add the pieces. I got some jam on my hand, so I don't have to keep going back and forth to the doggone, the container. It's aggravating, so yeah. I use it because Lily hair get real frizzy, so I need to constantly put it on as I go. Ha! Yeah, the finishing product. Look at them edges. Slick, sleek, laid and slayed. I use jam for that. If it's not jam, it's edge control. Haha, but your girl got to it. Show did. Book your girl. Book your girl. Look at that shine. I need that. Yeah. Alright guys, so that's about it. I hope you guys like it. Feel free to leave y'all comments and some suggestions on which y'all want to see. Thanks for y'all support. Deuces. And this is Zeph, and I'm out.